Okay, my name is Kyla Hermelin. I'm a manager here in the technical services practice at The Groove. I'm going to be going over some of our reporting and analytics 2026 R1 features for Workday. So to start off, we have some new chart types in Report Writer. Workday is now delivering two new chart types, the scatter plot and the funnel chart. Scatter plot charts are going to enable deeper analytical insights into how different variables impact your business by allowing you to quickly see if a relationship exists between the two metrics. The scatter plot chart type will require a minimum of two variables, a horizontal and a vertical axis. This can be further refined by adding a color dimension as well. This is going to allow you to assign specific sentiments to each quadrant, which will automatically color the data marks. As an example, a positive sentiment would apply a green color and a negative sentiment would apply a red color, which could help you distinguish between different levels of performance or risk at a glance. And then our funnel charts are going to improve visual analysis and help you analyze linear processes, making it easier and faster to identify where significant data drop-offs occur. For this funnel chart type, the chart will automatically render with a legend to help you identify dimensional values for each funnel stage. Workday will provide an interactive tooltip at runtime that will display the metric value and conversion rates. Some business challenges that this will solve for is that the scatterplot visualization will make it easy to identify data points that fall outside the expected range for more targeted investigations, such as the correlation between employee age and performance ratings. The funnel charts will allow you to represent processes with distinct stages that data moves through sequentially, such as sales pipeline or what I've seen the most often, the recruitment lifecycle. Some deployment considerations to have is that this feature will be automatically available on all matrix and trending reports. All you need to do is edit the custom report, navigate to the Output tab, and then you can select these new chart types. Overall, the level of effort to implement is low. Now, for our second reporting update, we have them around composite reporting. Workday is now enabling users to instantly create worksheet workbooks with live data by clicking a new button on composite reports instead of having to manually create them in worksheets. Workday is also now allowing contextual commenting in worksheets for composite report data. This will also provide an enhanced and unified commenting UI that will include data snapshots, threaded discussions, filters, and resolution options for all report and non-report related data across worksheets. This business challenge that it will solve for is instantly creating worksheets will allow teams to move faster by turning existing reports into live, reusable workbooks in one single step. And that's going to eliminate all that manual recreation and reduce setup time. By keeping reports connected to live data and securely within Workday, you maintain up-to-date insights while protecting sensitive information. Contextual commenting will also improve collaboration and decision-making within worksheets by anchoring those discussions directly to the context of the live report data. By keeping those questions, clarifications, and assumptions connected to the analysis itself, Teams reduces misinterpretation and back and forth across all of those external tools. The deployment consideration here is that both of these features will be automatically available and the level of effort to implement is low. Now, our last reporting update we have here is around this new report prompt control. Workday has added a new control prompt values column to the prompts tab when editing a custom report to streamline how you manage and interact with the report criteria. A new control prompt values column on the prompts tab lets you configure single and multi-instance prompts and apply those filters. CRFs and other calculated fields can define allowed values at runtime, and you can choose ascending or descending order for sort for those returned results. You can also set a parent field to link prompts so users only see relevant values. Some business challenges this will solve for is that this improves the overall user experience by eliminating the need to search through irrelevant prompts and increases reporting efficiency by preventing users from selecting those invalid combinations that would or could result in empty reports. An example would be limiting a payroll schedule prompt to only show weekly payroll or filtering date ranges to the last 90 days, or even mapping company to year so that selecting a specific company only displays the years relevant to that entity. The deployment consideration to have for this is that this feature, like the rest, will be automatically available. Some manual configuration by a report administrator is required for certain customized business needs. Overall, this level of effort to implement is medium. And then I also want to talk about an update we have here for People Analytics. Although it falls under the Reporting and Analytics umbrella, it is its own user interface. So with this release, there's an improved security for People Analytics by enabling configuration for multiple security hierarchies. So under this role-level security, you can now select the option Multiple Hierarchy from the drop-down list, and the appropriate hierarchy will automatically be applied to the corresponding users. Some business challenges this will solve for is that the security step in People Analytics for both the worker and hiring pipeline will now expand for security groups that are secured by a single hierarchy, which gives more flexibility for showing different People Analytics metrics to leadership. This improves the security administration for People Analytics, giving you greater control over security access for users and improving user adoption. This option will be automatically available in the Configure People Analytics task, but as most People Analytics updates, a reinstallation is required for these changes to take effect, which will mean rewriting reports, discovery boards, and potentially People Analytics dashboards. And because of this, we give the level of effort to implement high. I hope you've enjoyed all of these exciting 2026 R1 Workday releases as it pertains to reporting and analytics. I know I am. Thank you.